Solo tienes tres.
Wait, don't skip this. Because what you're about to see is not the Granada people usually show you. Granada during the day. It's beautiful. Sure, but at night, something shifts. And it's not obvious at first. It's in the way the streets go quieter, the way the lights fall differently, the way you suddenly feel like you're inside a story. Instead of just visiting a place, give it a few seconds and you'll start to notice it. Or maybe you'll feel it before you even understand it. This is Tripinn, where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. So if you enjoy discovering the real side of cities, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell, and let's explore together. The version of Granada you see in daylight, that's only half the truth. Because once the sun disappears, everything slows down. The air feels softer. The noise fades into the background. And somehow, the city starts breathing differently. And without realizing it, you stop walking fast, freeze, and start walking with the moment. Narrow streets winding endlessly, old stone walls holding centuries of stories, warm yellow lights spilling across uneven paths. Somewhere in the distance, a soft guitar starts playing. Not loud, not for attention, just enough to pull you in. Footsteps echo, voices blend into a low hum. And instead of chaos, it all feels like a rhythm.
It's work only for I knew it was going to be fun.
En mij heb even bezig.
But here's the strange part. Even now, you still haven't seen the real magic. There's something about walking at night like this. No plan, no destination. Just moving. You hear conversation, but you're not part of them. You see people laughing, but somehow, it still feels quiet. And it's strange, because nothing extraordinary is happening, but it still feels like a moment you don't want to miss. You pass by places, some busy, some completely still. Lights spilling out onto the street, like they're inviting you in. But you keep walking. Not because you're in a hurry, just because you want to see what's next. Granada at night isn't loud, it's personal. Couples walking slowly under dim lights, friends laughing without rushing anywhere, tiny cafes filled with soft conversations. No pressure, no urgency, just life, unfolding gently. And here's what you don't expect. You came here to see Granada, but somehow it feels like Granada is showing you something. At some point, you might feel lost. But strangely, you don't want directions. Because every turn leads to something new. A hidden street, a quiet viewpoint, a moment you didn't plan but won't forget.
Mira, mi camino de Madrid y a otro forma.
The deeper you wander, the more Granada starts to feel like a secret. A secret that's right in front of everyone, but only a few truly notice. By the time you finally stop, you're not tired. You're just full. Full of quiet moments. Full of feelings you didn't expect. Full of something you can't quite explain. The strange thing is, when you leave, nothing really ends. You just walk away. But it doesn't feel like you left anything behind. It feels like you're taking something with you. Not the streets, not the turns, just the feeling. That calm, that quiet, that moment of just being there. Because some places don't try to impress you, They just stay with you. And this is one of them. If this kind of journey feels like your kind of escape, then you might want to stick around. There's a lot more like this waiting.